You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
The latest news reports say that Apple iPhone 14 could use 8 GB RAM. Traditionally, the US-based trillion-dollar company has been shy in using a high-RAM smartphone and a huge capacity battery, but on the contrary, Apple been using the same RAM and camera combination in many generation iPhones. The 2021 launched Apple iPhone 13 series saw 6 GB RAM and 128 GB of minimum internal storage, but now it is guessed that iPhone 14 might add 2 GB more to it. Similarly, Apple iPhone 12 series also came with 6 GB RAM but with 64 GB internal storage. The iPhone 13 series ditched the 64 GB variant and preferred to use 128 GB as the base variant instead. In our previous write-up, we did speculate that Apple might unveil the Series 14 in September. Previous records do confirm that Apple prefers September for its flagship launches each year. In terms of change, it is widely expected that Apple could change few design elements of the iPhone 14 series. It is also believed that Apple might ditch the mini version with Series 14 and rather bring 4 new iPhones in the form of iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max. The most expected feature in the iPhone 14 would be the addition of punch hole display instead of notch display it has been using. Some people guess that iPhone 14 might see 120Hz refresh rate panel. We do also expect some changes in cameras as well. The Apple iPhone 14 could use the 48MP tri-camera setup. The processor of Apple iPhone 14 will shift to next generation. It could rather shift to a 4nm A16 Bionic processor. The news reports also say that 128 GB might also make way for 256 GB as base variant, but it seems very unlikely. Meanwhile, Apple is also preparing itself to launch the third-generation iPhone SE 3, which could make way next month into global markets. Apple iPhone SE 3 2022 is likely to see some changes as well, but there is no official confirmation yet. That's the news we have got today. So as usual, fellows and ladies, thank you all for coming in and watching. See you in another video.